Hey, what's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Well, Christmas is right around the corner, and I'm sure you've made your wish list of tools you'd like to have. But before you finish that list, let me show you 5 tools that need to be on that list for your home garage. Starting with the vehicle circuit probe from Ansel. Check this out. So if you're like me and you love to work on cars, this is a must-have. This thing is about $89 on Amazon, and it'll test just about anything on your vehicle. You can check your fuses, you can check window motors, you can check fan motors, blower motors, anything that takes 12 volts to run that car, this little thing will test it. All right guys, that is number 1 on my list. Number 2 on the list is a good torque wrench. I've been using one from a company called Vanpo for a few months now, and I've had great luck with it. Matter of fact, when you get it, it actually comes with a certificate, to make sure that everything was calibrated correctly. Because nowadays working on cars, I don't care whether it's suspension, you're putting your tires on, you need a good torque wrench. You need to torque things to the correct specifications. And that's your torque wrench from Vanpo. Number 3 on the list is a fuel pressure tester. I don't know about you, but if you do a lot of diagnosing at home, a fuel pressure tester is a must-have. Now, about a year ago, my Snap-on one took a dump on me, so I had to buy a new one. I checked the price, it was $585. So I said, you know what? I said, let me shop around. So I went to Amazon, looked around, found one with a good rating, bought it about a year ago now for $58.95. All right, on to number 4. Is a pitman arm and a tie rod end puller. If you're like me, you're always doing some kind of suspension work at the house. You're always putting ball joints on or pitman's arms and things like that. This tool is a lifesaver, especially if you're putting in an axle, and let's say you have to take off the outer tie rod end. This tool doesn't rip the boot. It pops it out with ease. You can reuse it, no problem. Check this tool out. So this is the kit. I use this one for tie rod ends all the time. It's really good. Like I say, you don't rip the boot, it slides under, screw it down, pops it right out. Next on the list, number 5, is a tool I use every day, especially if I'm taking off bumpers or door panels, any kind of fastener. Check it out. I've used this tool so many times that I've actually lost a few items in it. But it is really good if you're pulling off door panels, you need to get clips off, radios off of the older Fords. It comes with a set of picks, any kind of little clips and things that you need to get in and pull out. Very inexpensive kit. All right guys, that rounds out my top 5 tools that I use just about every single day. I'll put affiliate links in the description below where you can get them at. If you purchase anything through those links, I do make a small commission and I appreciate that. All right guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have a great Christmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.